Okay, I'm taking video of Emma because she's stood up a few times today and I've missed it every other time and I don't want to miss it again. So just in case, now this is the other thing she's been doing, crab walking. Good girl, Em, can you stand up? Can you stand up, Emma? Oh, she's gonna use the chair. That's cheating. Emma, you know that's not what I mean. She's reaching from so far away. Good girl, Em. Can you stand up? I think she's gonna do it. Good girl, Emma. You can do it. Good girl, Emma. You can do it. Stand up. Oh, good try, Emma. Good try. Try again. Lily, you're okay. Okay, Ems, can you do it again? The ground is hot. Em, careful. Get over here in case you try. Good girl, Emma. Can you stand up? There she did!